Okay, you guys, today we're going to start a new unit called the World of Work. And we're going to work on it for about 2 weeks. There'll be some vocabulary, some words, and things that you need to remember because we'll have a test at the end of the week and then the following week for the information that we're learning. And I think this will probably be our last unit before we go home for Christmas. And so let's get started. This is the World of Work. Okay, the first thing we need to talk about is what is work. So here's a definition: what people do to earn money. And so that could be a variety of things. It's a very broad topic. But what people do to earn money, and they may do that full time, you'll need to know that. 40 hours a week or more, working 40 hours a week or more, or working part-time 20 hours a week or less. What's another reason people work? Because they want to contribute to society. They want to give back to people who have done great things for them and to make a difference. When I say make a contribution to society, it means they want to make a difference in our world. They want to help other people. They just may want to use their talents and skills to make a difference for others, and they want to meet other people. Okay, here's something to think about. What are other reasons for working? I'll let you think about that one. What do most people spend their money on? I left a word out there, but that's okay. What do most people spend their money on? Most of the time, it is for shelter, for rent, or a house payment, or transportation. And there are so many other things besides that. Okay, you'll need to know these words too. Why do people work? Make sure you learn these. Why do people work? For income. They want to make money, so they work. You have a good work ethic. That means that you go to work when you're supposed to, you keep a job, you have a steady income. Also, people work for their identity. It makes you who you are. There's some people that we've talked about in our unit. We're talking about entrepreneurs. When we called their names, you knew who they were. For example, Steve Jobs, he worked. We knew what he did. He was technology based. So we knew his identity. We knew who he was. Also for lifestyle, the way you use your time and resources. And when I say resources, I mean money. What's your lifestyle like? What kind of lifestyle do you want to have? You want to have a home and kids and, just a basic car, or do you want to live, kind of fancy with spending lots of money, having a huge house, traveling, no family? Think about those things. How do you want to live your lifestyle? The way you use your time and resources. People also work for satisfaction because it makes them happy. Some people, when they retire, it's very hard for them because they're used to working every single day. They have to find something to do with their time. And that's often difficult for people. Or when people get hurt, they can't work and they have to stay home. That's difficult too because they're used to being on the go. People also work because they want to contribute. Just like I said before, they want to give back to society or other people. Now, like I said, those are some terms you're going to need to know. That was a very short video. But I want you to listen to it and make sure that you know those words when you come to class. And for Friday, we're going to be going over those terms again. You're going to be seeing them during the week. If you have questions, you can message me. You also have a feedback question this week that goes along with this. So, or just a question of the day. Thanks.